Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Bubble Moisturizer properly step by step. Gently cleanse and pat your skin dry, then shake the bottle. Dispense a pea-sized amount onto your fingertips and warm it slightly between palms. Apply in light tapping motions to avoid friction and promote absorption. Focus on dry areas like cheeks and forehead, and finish with a thin layer on the neck to seal hydration. Start with a small amount and build up in thin layers for even coverage and absorption. Gently press the product into skin with your fingertips rather than rubbing, which helps preserve barrier function. Give each layer time to sink in so you avoid pilling when adding serums or sunscreen. Target drier patches with a little extra product, and always be gentle around delicate eye areas to prevent irritation. Use Bubble Moisturizer morning and night for steady hydration and to support your skin barrier. In the morning, layer it after lightweight serums and before sunscreen. At night, apply it after treatment products to lock in moisture. If you notice excess oil or breakouts, reduce frequency or apply only to dry areas. Consistency matters, so stick with a routine for several weeks to see real improvements in texture and comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.